Hello everybody. Today I'm just going to show you guys what I've done to align my steering, my front tie rods. So basically what happened was at about 40-45 miles an hour, that's about 70 kilometers an hour in European units. So the steering will start to shake a lot, and the front wheels also going like this, and the bike is brand new, so it should not absolutely do that. Everything is 100% stock. There's no worn parts because the bike is like almost 200 kilometers, about 100 and some miles, so that could not be the issue. So I checked the manual, and what it says basically is to put a string from the rear, touching the 2 points on the rear wheel, attach it to something just to get straight, and put this part inwards, so just it touches one of the sides of the tire. Okay, so I've done this, and basically afterwards you have to measure the distance that goes from the rim to the string on the front and on the back of the front wheels. Okay, so Polaris is a 4x4 vehicle, so you must have a toe out configuration. So basically what that means is the front of the wheel must be a little bit outwards, comparing to the back of the wheel. So when the front drive kicks in, the tendency is to go like this. So instead of being straight, it has to be slightly to the left, because when the front shaft kicks in, the tendency is going inwards. So if it is already inwards, it will be worse. So a little bit out, the front wheels pull, and it straights back up. That's what the idea here is. Okay, so like I said, the bike is 100% stock, barely used, and when I came to measure the first time, I had 10 millimeters difference from the front to the back. So here I had about 7 millimeters, and here I have 17. So this means the measurement was way off. It was completely misaligned from factory. So I adjusted, and now I have just a difference from the front to the back of about 1.5 millimeters. That's like 1/16 in US units of a difference. So it should be perfect. I did the same on the other side. Okay, and it all turned out good. So what you need to do to align the toe in and toe out, basically what you do is you have to unscrew this bolt. You have to secure this with an English wrench, like I did, with something like that. And you just hold it here, and you untie this one. Be careful, because these bolts that are near the tire work on the opposite direction that you're used to. This way to loose, this way to loose. Okay, so the ones that are near the tire are the opposite direction that you're used to. And afterwards you just grab a wrench, you put it on this flat spot, and you rotate it either way, so you can adjust the tie rod alignment, and then you just tighten these bolts again, and you're ready to go. Another thing I did, this is the first thing to do, is I attached some straps to the steering wheel with it pointing dead forward, really centered, so it absolutely doesn't move, and I'm sure that I have the wheels perfectly aligned. How can you be sure that you have the steering wheel perfectly aligned? Basically, what I do is really simple. I just measured the distance from the end of the handlebars until this point on the bike. 70 centimeters, perfect on both sides. So I strapped it down, and afterwards I started the alignment procedure. There wasn't many information about this online, so I hope it helps you out. It surely did to me. Did help me out. And I'm going to test drive it tomorrow and see if the wobble of the wheels went away. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.